Here we are, the heart and soul of Noah Road stomping grounds, right beneath Interstate 80. No footprints except for animals. Nobody's been down here. And I'm going to go over here and get a better shot. Well, let me see. I want to be able to see that railroad trestle. Well, because there's too many trees, it's hard to see. But yeah, that's a beautiful river, isn't it? As far as rivers are concerned, you know, I know no river is really clean, but it's pretty clean. You know, it's not like toxic and stuff. It's a pretty clean river.